Okay, where I left off, got to be really careful here, was a surprise to me. I took this one screw out right there on that section, and when I lifted it up, the back side's going to fall off. Notice one more thing. On the end, the spring is attached right, if you could see it, right there. Remember where that goes. Now, like I say, I lift this up, it fell apart. Now you see where we're at. And there is more springs. And another spring. Not even actually into the pump yet. So I don't know where I'm going to end up here, but if I lift this up, just like so, there is your part so far. The front side, the back side of the way I took it apart. Now you've got to really pay attention here. You got quite a conglomeration of parts. So pay attention. I hope I get this back together.